everybody go to breakfast. Shayo. That. You go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, though. Cause I'm the one by default and without any doubt, though. I'm a me happy adult, though. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl, it's out, though. I'm a mind that's with the talk, though. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy, and I know that devil, that the Baba fly, oh.
Jerome, she talks about you all the time, how you're working so hard, you're sweating at home, working in the yard, mowing the lawn, trimming the shrubs. She say you're a good man. You're a good man, Jerome.
You need to know you're beautiful, you're perfect just like you are.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Georgia. If you're new, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna take you guys along with me. It's gonna be a little bit of vlog, so you guys know that my contract is coming to an end. I haven't been posting that much, but because like everything is just yeah, it's just happening so fast. So if you guys do want to see today's video, make sure you guys go ahead, like the video, share the video, subscribe, and also leave a comment down below. So I got me one of these cell phone stand. I got it on Amazon, so I'm gonna install it. I'm gonna head to Burlington so we can pick out something to wear, because I have nothing to wear and I need some makeup too, because I left all my makeup in Fort Lauderdale. Yes, so my white coat ceremony is actually coming up also, so yeah, it's not gonna be in this vlog, it's gonna be in a separate vlog, maybe the vlog after this one. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and install this. Let me see. So this is how it looks. This is just this is how it looks right here. Got that on Amazon. I think I paid, oh no, maybe like $20, less than $20 for this. It's a phone stand. This is the one that I always buy though, because it actually works. I actually keep my phone up, and the suction, the adhesive is really strong with this suction. Like when I buy phone stand from like other stores like Burlington and stuff like that, yeah, the suction is not good at all. So I just go in my Amazon store and basically just look for the same one that I purchased 3 years ago, and then I bought it back. So let's install it.
Tell me why you're crying, I'm feeling big deal. When you gave me something I don't really feel, but you knew that already. When I found you on the ground, you were jogging. Now you come into my yard uninvited. Come you see me on the edge, I'm enlightened. If the world was ending, would you cry or would you try to get it? Tell me now, but I want you to be clear, yeah. Tell me now, I need you to be clear, yeah. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. Man, you put the time on a rewind, yeah. Help me understand, can you tell me now why you made a war that was fighting now? And you fall and you run when you see my big guns. Run around, run away as a rebel comes out. Then you call on me, when you call me I come, and then you go again with your death, yeah. Open your mind to the sound of the trumpet. What do you want from the life of the hopeless? Now here you are, you're begging and crying. I want to fly, yeah, I'm flying to morning. Running away to the land of discovery. Running away from the suffering I'm caught, yeah. Running away from the darkness I'm out, yeah, yeah. I don't know the limits. Going way beyond the noise and your feelings. When you speak, all I can hear is silence. Turn it back from all the pain and violence. Big tunes and we speak tunes and really right now from the side now come on them. Calm down when you see me, you know that I was there for you. I will wait for you, for you.
Okay guys, so we are at Burlington and I'm gonna head in right now. I'm gonna look for a top, maybe I'll look for a two-piece, I'm not sure yet, and then I'll try to see if I can get some makeup there. If I don't get any makeup, I maybe just go to the makeup store, or I went to the grocery store the other day. It's called Price Right, and I did saw some makeup there, so maybe we'll head over to Price Right after Burlington. Hopefully we can get everything at Burlington, but we'll see. So let's go ahead and check out what they have. All right, let's go. I feel underdressed right now because I just have on this top. Yeah, I brought my bag this time because every time I'm in Burlington I feel like I have to be holding my purse in my hand, which I don't really like that. So I brought my bag this time. Make sure that I have my purse. Yeah, I have my purse in my bag, so that is good. Listen guys, if you guys live in Connecticut or New York, Rhode Island, up north, why didn't you guys tell me that you guys don't use plastic bags? Because listen, every time I come to the store I have to buy bags, and it's ridiculous. It's ridiculous that you have to buy bags. They don't use plastic bags, they use paper bags, or they use those recycled bags. I have to pay for them. So yeah, or you basically just bring your stuff in your hand outside after you purchase it, which I don't really like. So anyways, let's go in the store of let's see. Hi.
Please pause right there for a second.
Okay.
We're monitoring your access for safety protection.
Huh?
We are monitoring your access for safety protection.
Oh, okay. All right, thank you. I need a cup. So I'm gonna get oh, look at those slippers. Those slippers are cute. Oh, and look at this. This is so nice. How much is this? $16. These are cute. I like these slippers. Oh, this one is nice. Okay. So, need to go in the female section. Hey guys, I like this one. This one is cute. It has like the gold detailing, right there. Let me see. Tell me if you guys like it. Alright, we're gonna try get this one. This one is also nice. I don't know if I should get this. This one is super cute. It's like so spring. I like this one. This one is cute. It's like there. So I'm not sure if I should do this. I was looking at like this. This is super cute. I love brown. So we're like looking at this one. But I would need to get like a medium in it. This one is small. And I guess this one is like all smalls around here. So I'm gonna go to the medium section. But this is like giving me, oh, this one look cute too. The polka dot. This is nice. And it's like a skirt. Yeah, this is super cute. I think I'm gonna get something like this. A skirt polka dot. I'm gonna get this. Like this one, but I'm gonna get it in like a medium. Okay, let's go look for that one. Let's see if we find it. If we can find that one. Oh, this is nice too. Oh, this is the pants. This is super cute. How much is this? It's $22. I love this. This is cute. This is like vacation though. Cover up. This is cute. This is oh, this is cute. This is a 2-piece. How much is this one? $24. Oh, this is nice too. With the skirt. This is super nice. I think I'm actually gonna get this one. This one is a medium. It comes with the skirt set, but the skirt kind of look big for me. Alright, we're gonna try it though. This one is actually nice too. This one is a medium. And let me see how much it is. It's $19, $19.99. And it's like a top with a pants. This is cute. Look at this one. This is black and white, and it comes with the skirt. It's like very easy to wear. Hold on, let me see. All right, this one is nice too because listen, I think we're she said that we're gonna be going to the beach, so I think I should wear something like this. This is cute, like that. I think I'm gonna wear this one. I think I'm gonna get this. This is cute. All right, guys. So this is what I have so far. Have this shoes right here. I got it for $14. And then this handbag right here. And this handbag is for $15. Got these 3 tops. And then a skirt. We're in the makeup aisle now, and I'm gonna look for some makeup. So guys, as usual, we got more things than we came in for. Yes. I got some more tops, and then I got two shoes. One is for clinicals, and then I have one to wear with whatever I'm wearing tonight. I think that's it. It's just like 3 extra stuff, and then the outfit for today. Oh, yes, girl's gonna look so cute. I'm gonna go home and do my hair and get ready. We're supposed to be going to like a seafood restaurant, so hopefully I like that. Yeah, so I'll catch you guys later.
Connecticut. It's finally warming up here. 79 degrees, y'all. Jerome, she talks about you all the time, how you're working so hard, you're sweating at home, working in the yard, mowing the lawn, trimming the shrubs. She say you're a good man. You're a good man, Jerome.
You sound like, you know, that that TikTok. You're a good. He's a good man, Savannah. He's a good man. Oh my God!
I don't watch it.
You don't watch TikTok?
Nope.
I
guess I'll have to watch you now.
Yeah, it sounds just like that. Oh my God.
Here she is, Miss Georgia, here in Milford, Connecticut, showing her stuff. Sexy Georgia. There she goes. Runway model.
Right? Like... Oh my God. Hold on. Let me put this in my bag.
I could do a lens on it.
So guys, we're out here, we're collecting seashells because I'm gonna write my name in the sand, and then we're gonna add the seashells. So I'm gonna wholly put seashells right here. And Everly's over there collecting seashells for me too. It's so pretty out here. Ooh, this one is huge. The big ones. Ooh. So we're making a heart, and I'm gonna put my name. I think that's good enough. I'm gonna do it one more time. Woo, more than enough. I guess that's a heart. put seashells around it? Around the heart or no?
Yeah. No,
No?
just Georgia. Oh,
Put it like this.
okay.
Gotta hurry up. There's more seashells. Oh, that's so pretty, right?
It's beautiful. Better than Van Gogh.
Okay, let's grab my name. What's my name?
Give me a G. Give me an E. Give me an O. Give me an R. Give me a G. Give me an I. Give me an A. Georgia!
Alright, cool.
Miss Fort Lauderdale.
Alright. Maybe we need water. Hold on. See if I get water. It's like cold. Lord have mercy. Oh, that's not doing that. Can you make it out? I know.
Yes, it looks like a 2-year-old wrote it.
Do it like this. Because the sun is wet.
Use the stick. The one behind you. The big one. Yeah, there you go.
Can you see it?
It's lovely. It'll be your last piece of artwork here in Connecticut. Lovely.
Oh, here, let's roll this out now.
Say hi, everyone. Hi. Welcome to the dive bar. Georgia and Evelise here. You're doing it?
No, you're doing it.
The same one as before? Did you get it the first time?
I did.
The same one?
Yes. Come on, Emily.
Start over.
I'm gonna edit it out. So,
Okay.
so ready? 1,
Cheers to Georgia. Safe journeys back to Fort Lauderdale. It was a pleasure working with you. Pleasure to meet you.
Oh my god. It was so unserious. Alright. Cut it. No. No, I'm gonna cut it out.
I'm excited for more like, except for like a day. Like, yes, we're doing things, but like, when we want to.